Hello everyone. Welcome to TouchThink Smart International Holdings Limited. Located in Nanshan District, Shenzhen, we always adhere to independent R&D and production, and possess over 160 owners and patents, with fully independent core technologies. This is our marketing and support center. We have a service team of over 500 people. Among them, R&D team members accounted for over 30%, covering the whole process of project research, structure design, hardware development, system integration, and software testing. From industrial motherboard to complete machine terminal, we adhere to full-link independent R&D and manufacturing. It can quickly respond to the customer's diversified needs such as model selection, function customization, structural facelift, and software development. This is our product showroom. At present, we have 300 off-the-shelf products on the market. It has formed a display computing portfolio including x86 industrial panel PC, ARM panel PC, industrial display, industrial computer, industrial motherboard, etc. It also extends to various emerging industries such as smart medical care, special vehicle, intelligent production, workstation machine, intelligent security, face recognition terminal, etc. It not only boasts exceptional cross-industry versatility, but also better anchor our solution to the specific application needs. We have an R&D and production base of over 12,000 square meters, such as manufacturing workshop, dust-free workshop, aging workshop, and packaging workshop, equipped with 6 modern production lines. Our annual production capacity of industrial all-in-one PCs, industrial displays, and industrial computers exceeds 300,000 sets, while that of industrial control motherboard hits 500,000 pieces. Meanwhile, it's equipped with advanced automatic production equipment such as CNC machine and laser engraving machine. From material selection and supply chain integration to the production plan schedule and the process implementation, then to the in-process and outgoing inspection, the seamless coordination and refined management among all teams and departments strongly guarantee fast production, quality control, and rapid order delivery, delivering a firm foundation for customers' batch customization and standard product orders. We also have set up a professional aging room and quality laboratory, which can conduct a wide range of tests on 48-hour aging, drop, static electricity, vibration, water spray, constant temperature, constant humidity, and validate anti-vibration, EMI resistance, stability, and so on, ensuring that every delivered product meets the industrial standards. This is our warehouse center, including raw material warehouse, finished product warehouse, and delivery area, equipped with the inventory early warning and cycle stock replenishment. The monthly cyclic stocking of standard products reaches 10,000 units and ensure delivery within 48 hours. TouchThink Intelligence always adheres to the philosophy of customer-centric. Stay true to our original mission. Focus on ingenuity, quality. Build foundation with quality. Gain trust through service. You are welcome to call us to consult and pay an on-site factory visit.